Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hello Hello, a delightful fried dough snack enjoyed across West Africa. This treat is known by many names, including puff puff or bafrat. We will cover everything from mixing the dough to achieving that perfect golden brown finish. You will need simple ingredients like about 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of active yeast, and warm water. A hint of nutmeg and vanilla extract will elevate the flavor. Let's start by crafting the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together about 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of active yeast, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Next, combine 2 cups of lukewarm water with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually pour the liquid into the dry ingredients, stirring with a wooden spoon until you have a thick, sticky, lump-free batter. Cover the bowl and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat approximately 2 quarts of vegetable or other neutral oil in a deep pot over medium-high heat. You can test the oil by dropping a tiny bit of batter. It should immediately float to the surface. Using a 1 tablespoon scoop, carefully drop portions of the risen batter into the hot oil. Be sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry the Hello Hello for about 6 minutes, turning them with a slotted spoon until they are beautifully puffed and golden brown all over. Once your Hello Hello are perfectly golden, remove them from the oil with a slotted spoon and place them on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. These delicious treats are best enjoyed warm, either as a satisfying snack or a light breakfast. You can serve them plain, or for a touch of extra sweetness, sprinkle them with powdered sugar. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days to maintain their freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.